Hello everybody. I've got some news, some information for you, which I think you might be interested in. This is so disturbing, it's untrue. And I don't say that lightly. I'm not interested in scaring anybody, but this is really serious stuff now. This is about the health passports. And there's a company called VST Enterprises Limited. They've created the health passport. It's vhealthpassport.co.uk if you want to go and look it up. I'll put the link down in the description. And this is basically the mass surveillance in real time of every man, woman and child in the country. I've downloaded what they say about their own company, so I'm going to read you that. And you can make your own mind up what you think of it. I'm completely disturbed by this, and it's taking about 5 or 6 attempts to even do this video. So let me just read it and we'll discuss it as we go. So VST Enterprises Limited, or VST, the UK-based cybersecurity firm, have developed a digital health passport and platform, vHealth Passport, from their revolutionary vCode and vPlatform technology. They're calling it vHealth. Not only helps rapidly speed up the process of getting key critical care workers within blue light emergency services turning to the front line, but also ensures that they do safely and securely. A key worker can present their assigned V code, that's a number, you're going to be assigned a number, that's your V code, using their smartphone, fob or lanyard printout, which can be scanned outside of the 2-metre safe distancing zone. This can present in-depth information to any healthcare official / blue light service or high-level GDPR compliant screen to members of the public to confirm and authenticate their current health status, visualised by a traffic light system, green, amber or red. So a policeman can see whether you're healthy or not. A fireman can see whether you're healthy or not. NHS workers, reception staff, whoever it might be who has access to this, which is basically they're saying everybody, other than us, can see the status of your health. Other uses of the vHealth Passport are private companies, airlines, hotel chains and sports and leisure organisations that need a return to work passport for their employees and guests. So you see the language, you need a return to work passport for your employees, but here it says guests as well. So if I go to a hotel and I want to check in, they're going to say, can I see your passport? You're going to have a passport now for going to a hotel, checking in for the night. So that receptionist at the hotel will see my health status. When I go to a bar and I buy a drink, because this is their technology is about having is about living in a cashless society. So their V platform and V code are about buying things, and they're attaching the health passport application to that. You will be able to see in real time where I am, if I'm buying a meal at a restaurant, whether I'm buying drinks, whether I'm buying cigarettes, what the kind of food that I'm buying. Now you might say, well, what's so bad about that? But when you go to the doctor and they say, what are you eating? They don't need to ask you anymore. They can see what you're eating. And when is it going to come to the point where they're going to say, actually, you can't eat all this food anymore. You can only buy this kind of food. You can't smoke anymore. It's not your choice. We're going to stop you from smoking. That's down the line, but this is here now. And so they'll be able to see in real time what you're buying, where you are, what you're doing. This is privacy. This is no more privacy at all. The STE are currently using the underlying technology vCode and vPlatform as part of their contracted work with the United Nations as part of the SDG program. That's the Sustainable Development Program 2030, which is about getting people into technology. About 9 billion people by 2030 into their technological system. VST Enterprises are collaborating with numerous accredited test providers to add a V code to each individual test to provide its authenticity when entering the passport system. After a healthcare professional has activated and administered a test kit, they can validate whether the digital passport holder has tested negative or positive for coronavirus or has the antibodies present. From this, the health professional updates the passport holder's status instantly without changing the V code. In future updates, the health passport will include confirmation that they are vaccinated and can contain all information of other vaccinations and make that part of a broader health passport. So this is completely shocking. Now we know why COVID-19 has happened. It is to bring in this mass surveillance and control system, and they're doing it under the health passport scheme. It sounds innocuous. It isn't. This is Nazi Germany at their height on steroids. You are going to be given a V code, a number, and that is going to allow you access to services. If you make a video like this, when is it going to become to the point where they'll be able to turn off accesses to your services? Sorry, you've dissented. You've said something that we don't like, that the corporatocracy doesn't agree with. So now you can't buy food for 3 days. Now you can't buy, you can't go to the cinema. You can't go to a restaurant. You can't buy anything. You can't do anything because we've turned your green passport red, and people won't let you in. People won't sell you things until you have seen a health professional. This is fascism. Please, wherever you are in the world, we need your help. And we need your help now. We know that this is affecting everyone on the planet. We know that Great Britain is probably going to be the test centre, it seems. AstraZeneca has said they'll have a vaccination by September, 30 million doses ready to go. We'll see whether that happens or not. The V passport, and Matt Hancock has been saying the passport is going to be coming. It could be rolled out any minute, really, within the next couple of months and stuff like that. This company say it's ready to go now. Everyone is gearing up for this. We need your help. Please come join GoVote, www.govote.org.uk, and we are going to try and use the strength and people power to try and stop this from happening. But we need everybody's help. And I'm completely disturbed by what I've read. It's taken me a number of times to do this video, and really, I'm sick to the stomach. I've been getting emails from people since I posted this up on my Facebook page about people saying, "Can I go and buy food? What can we do?" Everyone gets it who reads it. They get it, right? I'm saying let's not. It can't come to that, and so we need to write to our politicians. We need to write to everybody we can think of. Our doctors need to be involved with this. We need to have doctors coming out. We need to have scientists coming out saying that this surveillance society has gone mad. And this is using a public health emergency to bring in a control grid, the likes of which nobody has seen. If we lose here in Great Britain, you'll lose everywhere in the world. Maybe not America, because President Trump is doing amazing things, looking after the Americans, but we need your help. So please join Go Vote. It's strength of feeling. We're going to do our best to get this information out there, and so that people are informed. Information is power, and that's something that we are lacking at the moment. And hopefully, with strength of numbers, we'll actually get a positive outcome, and they will delay and they will be stopped. And that's what we need to do, is stop the health passports. This is the danger that we're all facing. This is Nazi Germany on steroids. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. And I will bring you more information as and when I get it. But keep sharing, keep talking. That's having an effect. Please join GoVote. It's www.govote.org.uk. And I'll speak to you soon. Thank you.